Hello everyone and welcome to a new lesson with Miss Rafa. Today we're gonna start with Unit 17, Farming. So get your student book and let's work together. Farming. We're gonna start with some vocabulary first. What can you see here? We have a farm. farm. إذا بتحبوا تلفظوها farm كمان صح. A farm is a piece of land used to grow plants and keep animals for food. إذا دايما لما بنقول farm, it's a piece of land. This is a farmer. لاحظوا إضافة ER لكلمة farm بتخليها اسم شخص. farmer. He's a person who grows crops or raises animals. What is he doing here? He's farming. It's the process of growing crops and raising animals. Those are children. نلاحظ إنه هاي الكلمة شاذة. child الجمع منها children. What is she doing? She's picking flowers. Pick flowers. And what is this one doing here? She's smelling flowers. Smell flowers. Why is she picking flowers and smelling them? To enjoy their beauty. Enjoy their beauty. What is he doing here? He's watering flowers. Water flowers. Here, what's the bee eating? Nectar. Nectar is the sweet liquid inside the flower. And here we have honey. Honey is the sweet liquid made by bees. This is very important. Now let's do exercise number 1. Listen and write a true or false. Let's listen.
Hello, what are you doing?
Hello, sir. We're picking some flowers.
Why are you picking them?
We're picking them in order to smell them and enjoy their beauty.
Do you know that flowers are the most important food for bees to make honey?
You are right, sir. We're sorry. We are not going to pick flowers again.
Now let's do the exercise. 1. The children are watering some flowers. False. They are picking some flowers. The children want to enjoy the smell and the beauty of the flowers. True. Nectar is the most important food for cats. No, for bees. Bees make honey. True. We mustn't pick flowers. True. Now let's see exercise number 2. كمان لنفس الاستماع. Listen again and choose the correct word between brackets. The farmers or children were picking some flowers. The children. The children don't like flowers. Like. The farmer was unhappy with the children. Unhappy. Bees make honey from water, nectar. Nectar. The children felt sorry, happy. Sorry. Now let's see exercise number 3. Look, ask, and answer. Where are the children in the pictures? In the first picture, they are on a farm. In the second picture, she's in a garden. What are they doing? In the first picture, they are picking flowers. In the second picture, she's planting flowers. Why is it not good to pick flowers? Because flowers are the most important food for bees to make honey. Alright, now let's see pronunciation. اليوم تركيزنا على صوت ال E. طبعا قلنا لما منشوف نقطتين معناها الصوت بيكون طويل. لما بيجي عنا حرفين E ورا بعضن فعنا صوت واحد واللي هو E. مثل مثلا B sheet. إذا دبل E الصوت عنا طويل E. أما حرفي ال E مع ال A إله صوتين. الصوت القصير اللي هو مثل الفتحة A، والصوت الطويل اللي هو E. طبعا أنا هون بيهمني الصوت الطويل، مثل مثلا كلمة see read. نحن لما عم نقرأ الكلمات عم ننتبه لللفظ. وقفوا الفيديو، اقرأوا الكلمات، بعدين كملوا معي. What can you see here? A piece of land. A piece of land. A piece of land. This girl is growing plants. Grow plants. Grow plants. Farmers raise animals. Raise animals. Raise animals. What else? He grows crops. crops, crops, crops. Now let's see exercise number 4. Ask and answer. Where does our food come from? نقدر نقول it comes from the farm. What are the foods that you can grow in a garden? برأيكم شو المحاصيل اللي ممكن نزرعها بالحديقة؟ We can say onions, potatoes, tomatoes, eggplant. شو ما ذكرتوا صحيح. Now let's move on to exercise number 5. Before you read, match the words to the definitions. Farm, farmer, farming. وقفوا الفيديو، حلوا التمرين بعدين شيكوا معي. A piece of land used to grow plants and keep animals for food. باين من كلمة piece of land قطعة من الأرض. It's a farm. 2. A person who grows crops or raises animals. قالوا لنا person شخص معناها farmer. 3. The process of growing crops and raising animals. باين من كلمة process of growing عملية زراعة إذن farming. Let's see some vocabs. Here we have a society, society, society. This is a cow, cow. لاحظوا كيف حرف ال O مع ال W عم يعمل صوت ow, cow, cow. This is a chicken, chicken, chicken. And this is sheep, sheep. لاحظوا double E لفظناها E, sheep. Alright, now this is a farmer. What does he do? Produces different products. Produce, produce. Different products, different products. Produce different products. Produce different products. These are seeds, seeds, seeds. Here we have business, business, business. Here he is selling, sell, sell, sell. Do you know the opposite of sell? It's buy. Let's move on to the reading. Read and do the tasks below. Farming is very important because almost everything we need to live comes from one place, a farm. Farmers help society to have a strong food system and produce different products. There are two main types of farming: crops and animals. Some farmers plant seeds in order to grow crops for food, while others raise animals like cows, chickens, and sheep. لاحظوا cows انتهت بأس الجمع، chickens انتهت بأس الجمع، أما sheep ما انتهت بأس الجمع لأن كلمة شاذة. sheep خروف وشيب خرفان، الجمع والمفرد نفس بعضهم. Some farms have both crops and animals in order to use them for food and making things. Many families can live on a farm. They produce and sell us the food we need. Farmers today need to be good at farming and business. عنا بعض الكلمات المعلمة. كلمة because معروفة، لأن بعطي فيها سبب حصول شيء ما. ليش هيك صار؟ because لأن. أما كلمة in order to أو to لحالها فبستخدمها للتعبير عن الهدف أو الغرض. ليش عملت هيك؟ إذا في فرق صغير بيناتهم. حتى in order to تعتبر رسمية أكتر وبنستخدمها بالنصوص المكتوبة. إذا because بشرح فيها سبب، in order to أو to لحالها بشرح فيها الهدف أو الغرض. Let's move back to the vocabulary. This is an elephant, elephant, elephant. And this is a lion, lion, lion. This is a forest, forest, forest. And the bee here is sipping, sip, sip, sip. Now let's do exercise A. Write true or false. We can get almost everything we need from a farm. True. Society needs farmers. True. Farmers keep animals like elephants and lions. False. They keep animals like chickens, sheep, cows, etc. Some families produce and sell us the food we need. True. Farmers don't need to know about business. False. They need to know about business. Now let's see exercise B. Choose A, B, or C. Crops and animals are types of music, farming, places. Farming. Farmers plant seeds in order to، لاحظوا بدنا نعطي الهدف من زراعة البذور. Grow crops, raise animals, have forests. Grow crops. Farmers grow crops and animals in order to use them for food and building, making things, drinks. Making things. انتبهوا انه صيغة in order to تجي كاملة، ما بيصير ننقص منها ولا كلمة. in order to، وهي to هي to المصدرية، فدائما بده يجي بعد فعل بحالة المصدر. شنو مصدر؟ فعل دون إضافات. That's everything for today. Thanks for your time. See you next lesson إن شاء الله.